Hello everyone, welcome to the Youth Center's channel. I'm excited to have you tune in. Today, I'll discuss TikTok taking several minutes to load videos or not loading videos at all. Watch and learn how to fix it. TikTok is one of the most used social networks worldwide. This can be seen from its plethora of content about dancing, dubbing, memes, books, beauty, and much more. However, this huge number of videos, in addition to its editing effects and filters, requires a lot of internal memory storage, a lot of hardware and software processing, and a lot of assimilation of data by internet routers. This exposed the application to errors encountered when trying to load videos. So I have prepared this video to show you how to fix the bug in TikTok that prevents videos from loading. When TikTok takes several minutes to load videos or not loading videos at all, I've outlined 5 things that you need to do to solve this problem. Number 1. Restart your device. Restarting your phone permanently closes all applications running in the background, which can slow down the processing of software such as TikTok. You can simply restart your phone by pressing on the power button for a few seconds for the options to pop up, then you select restart. Number 2. Check the internet connection. Signal drops or instability can compromise the loading of your TikTok app. Therefore, it is interesting to check if the signal of your modem and router are strong. Number 3. Deactivate and activate the internet on your cell phone. It is very common for connection errors to also happen due to a cell phone problem. A simple way to correct it, if it is a simple systemic error, is to turn off the cell phone's internet and then turn it back on. Number 4. Clear the app's cache. The cache area accumulates a lot of data absorbed from the app, such as searches in the search bar, and this can contribute to the slowness of your app. Therefore, access the settings and clear the cache. Number 5. Update your app. Failure to update your app is another contributing factor to app slowness. Therefore, go to the App Store and click on the option to update your app, or uninstall and reinstall the app on your phone. With these points, problems of videos not loading on TikTok should be solved. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon to receive more updates from the Youth Center.